Hello students, hello parents, good afternoon parents, good afternoon children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Yes, you all are fine and safe? Okay. So children, how is your practice is going on of English, maths, poem, story? Yes, you are doing your well? Okay. So, before starting our lecture children, what we are seeing? Date and subject. Yes, what is our today's date children? 28 October 2020. In October what we are writing? 10. Subject story. Which story we was going on last time? The peacock and the crane. Okay children. So remove your book, page number 44. Remove your book. Yes, remove. Come on. Last time what till glory we have completed. Yes. So today we will do last line and moral of the story as well as both the story of revision. Okay. हम लोग क्या करेंगे आज? लास्ट लाइन भी लेंगे विथ मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी और हम लोग दोनों स्टोरी का आज वापस से फुल वी विल टेक रिविजन. ओके, सो यू ऑल आर रेडी? ओके, वेरी गुड. So what was our last line? Till glory we have completed. Yes, till glory we have completed. Now what is our today's line? While you live down here just like any other cock. So I am writing over here last line. Okay children? Yes children? So parents, I have written over here last line. What was our last line? While you live down here just like any other cock. Repeat. While you live down here just like any other cock. What is our moral of the story? Each one is special. Each one is special means सब लोग अपने अपने special होते. Right? Okay. So we have to not to compare with other. हम लोग को क्या करना है? किसी से compare नहीं करना है. Okay. So got it? Last line? Yes. Now we will do full story as a revision. Okay. What we will do? Full story as a revision. Yes, today we will do full story. Okay, just you have to pay attention. We will do with action. Okay, stand up children. Come on, stand up. Okay, come on. We will do both the story. Come on, say the peacock and the crane. Say there was once a very proud peacock who had a gorgeous tail like no other bird. So when he meet a crane one day, the peacock, you have to repeat after me. Okay, the peacock scoffed at the crane. Colorless and dull feather. Colorless and dull feather. He then immediately spread his feathers, he then spread his own colorful tail for the crane to admire, to see and admire. Next paragraph. Look at my beautiful feathers. Look at my beautiful feathers. He boasted. My feathers shine. My feathers shine in all colors of a rainbow, while yours so pale. I am dressed like a king. That's true. That's true. The crane answered. But I can fly. High above the clouds. But I can fly above among the clouds, and I can see all the beauty of the earth. I can see all the beauty of the earth in its all glory. While you live down. Here, just like any other cock. Moral of the story: each one is special. Got it, children? What crane have done? What peacock? Peacock ने क्या किया? उसका मजाक उड़ाया. किसके ऊपर? क्रेन के ऊपर. क्या बोला क्रेन को? एक दिन कि तू तो डल है. See, your feather is looking like a dull and I am dressed like a king. क्या बोला पीकॉक ने? कि मैं तो एक राजा की जैसा हूँ और तू, तेरा जो ड्रेस है वो एकदम पेल है एंड कलरलेस है, और मैं तो एक राजा की जैसा दिखता हूँ, और मेरे जो फेदर्स है वो कैसे हैं? कलरफुल है, और तू तो एकदम डल दिख रहा है. सो क्रेन ने क्या बोला? हाँ ठीक है, तू बोल रहा है वो सही है, बट मैं तो ऊपर आकाश में उड़ सकता हूँ और नीचे जो धरती है अपनी वो भी मैं देख सकता हूँ. तू तो सिर्फ खाली नीचे ही बैठ सकता है, तू ऊपर नहीं उड़ सकता है दूसरे पीकॉक की जैसा. सो व्हाट क्रेन हैव टोल्ड? ईच वन इज special. So what is our moral? Each one is special. So we have to not to compare with others. Okay children, got it? Now we will do next story. Okay, this story you have understood, the peacock and the crane. ये story oral exam में आने वाली. ओके, दोनों स्टोरी आपको लर्न करना है, द पीकॉक एंड द क्रेन एंड द टॉर्टोइस एंड. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल डू नेक्स्ट स्टोरी. रिमूव बुक नंबर 2. Both the book you have to keep remove. Okay. Remove book number 2. Removed. Now we will do hare and the tortoise. Okay. हम लोग ने peacock and the crane किया. Yes. Now we will do our first story. The hare and the tortoise. Okay children. Come on. Say the hare and the tortoise. Say the hare and the tortoise. Say one day a hare and the tortoise decide to take a part in a race. At the beginning of the race, the hare ran very fast, leaving the tortoise far behind. Seeing this, the hare thought of taking a quick nap. The tortoise kept moving slowly but steadily. When the hare woke up, the tortoise had already reached the winning post. Thus the tortoise won the race. Thus the tortoise won the race. Moral of the story: slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. Got it? Now we will do with action. Okay? Come on. Stand up. Come on. Our story name is The Hare and the Tortoise. What is our story name? The Hare and the Tortoise. We will do revision. Okay, first we have completed the peacock and the crane. Now we will do hare and the tortoise. Say, one day a hare and a tortoise decide to take a part in a running race. At the beginning of the race, the hare ran very fast. The hare ran very fast, leaving the tortoise far behind. Leaving the tortoise far behind. Seeing this, the hare thought, like this also you can do. Okay. Seeing this, the hare thought of taking a quick nap. Seeing this, the hare thought to take a quick nap. The tortoise keep moving. Slowly and steadily. Slowly but steadily. When the hare woke up, the tortoise, when the hare woke up, the tortoise had already reached the winning post. Thus, the tortoise, thus the tortoise won the race. Moral of the story: slow and steady win the race. Okay, so in this story what is written? एक दिन हेयर एंड टॉर्टोइस थे, तो हेयर उन लोग दोनों ने क्या सोचा? वी विल टेक पार्ट, दे बोथ हैव डिसाइडेड दैट वी विल टेक पार्ट इन द रनिंग रेस. आफ्टर टेकिंग द पार्ट इन द रनिंग रेस, दैट hare have started running very fast, and he have started running very fast, and he have left behind the tortoise. After leaving the far behind the tortoise, that hare have thought that tortoise is very small, he cannot reach till me, so while that I am taking a small nap. I am taking the quick nap. After taking the quick nap, the tortoise have already reached the winning post. After reaching the winning post, the hare woke up. What hare? Hare have woke up. After seeing that, the hare have thought, okay, tortoise have reached the winning post, and he have won the race. So slow and steady win the race. तो हेयर ने क्या किया? फास्ट भागते भागते आगे निकल गया, और आगे निकल के वो क्या किया? सो गया, और टॉर्टोइस उसके आगे निकल गया. So moral of the story: slow and steady win the race. Okay children, so we have completed both the story, the peacock and the crane. This peacock and the crane, and hare and the tortoise. So both the story you have to learn for the oral exam. Okay children, this is your रिविजन. ओके, आज क्या किया हम लोग ने? स्टोरी भी कंप्लीट किया, एंड बोथ द स्टोरी वी हैव टेकन हैज अ रिविजन फॉर योर practice. So this both the story, peacock and the crane and hare and the tortoise, आपको क्या करना है? प्रैक्टिस करना है for oral exam. Okay children, bye. Best of luck for your oral exam. We will meet on the next lecture. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day.